Now,
Sir, when would you like to start?
Exams are from 22nd or what?
25th, sir.
25th.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, parent ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are in school today.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
See, Corona, mask is not allowed as per government of Maharashtra.
No, we are at least putting on masks for safety's sake. You may be strong, Sister Kedia.
I am strong now. I am not strong like you.
Why? Because that's why you are going free of mask. You don't want to take the risk.
No, good. You should carry the mask. I fully agree with you.
Mr. Kedia, how long will you take? We'll finish up within an hour's time, eh?
Maybe 45 minutes, 1 hour maximum.
Okay.
You want to go somewhere?
All right.
We'll start just after 5 minutes. Neelam, tell me when to start.
Okay, sir. So right now we are 79, around 80 of us.
Yeah.
So maybe at 3:05, it's 3:02 right now. Maybe at 3:05 if you're comfortable.
Okay.
Okay. Arnavaz ma'am, good afternoon. Hello. How are you?
So what time you go home, Neelam?
Ma'am, around 6 o'clock, 5:36.
Oh my God. Acha.
That's if it's a good
But
day.
you all come early. Acha.
Yeah, come in by around 7:30 or so.
Oh.
Good morning, everyone. Sorry, good afternoon or good evening. Sorry. Mrs. Bagley, how long will this meeting take?
I don't know. Mr. Kedia is the host. He says about 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay.
You have other meeting or what?
No.
Yes, Mr. Kedia, busy, no, in school?
Yeah.
I have.
Running a school is a big task these days.
Correct. Too much hassle.
Yeah.
Too much a problem parents are creating.
Parents, to very good friend of yours.
Uh-huh.
No, and I think something has changed, during the pandemic. I think a lot of people have been, with their own experiences, I think a lot of people have been affected in different ways. And I think that's what's sort of playing up in the way they communicate with us. And I don't know what they're thinking, actually. I'm nobody to judge, but must be hard for many people.
नहीं.
I think we can take it. We can start now. I think it's 100 marks now.
Yes, sir, please.
Good afternoon to all of you. Hope all of you are safe and healthy. We are meeting after a very long time. We must applaud all of you for your contribution and devotion towards the noble cause of education, especially during the pandemic time. You all kept the flame burning of the education during pandemic time and ensure that no one suffers from education. It's a great contribution by all of you to the society in our country. Glad to know that unified approach of all the associations in Maharashtra, MISA, ISA from Pune, Usman from Nagpur, Pushma, Dombivli, Kalyan, Thana, USF, and Gujarat associations. All of us, we worked as a unified team, and that is the reason during this pandemic time, so much upheaval by the politicians, by the parents, we could succeed. Neither the parent associations nor the government of Maharashtra or the politician could nail us down. This is only due to the unified approach, nothing else. Today we have two issues. Burning issues are one fee, other is the RTE. Let us go to the first burning issue of the fee matter. Regarding the GR about reduction of the 15% fees, as you know, all the associations, Usman, USFA, associations, MESTA, everybody got a very good order from the Honorable Bombay High Court that is Education Department cannot take any coercive action against the schools who are not implementing the GR. So, and 99% schools in Maharashtra who are part of the associations have not decreased the fees. Now this GR is in cold storage in Bombay High Court. We are not pursuing it also because next academic year for CBSE, ICSE, etc. has already started. For SEC schools, they are going to start by 7th or 13th or 15th June. So I think that is not a cause of worry about the 15% reduction. Why there is no worry? All the principals and management, you have to keep in mind one thing, that Honorable Supreme Court, in case of Rajasthan school case, they have given a very clear mandate that once fee is fixed, by following the procedure under the Fee Regulation Act, no state government has any right to interfere with the fee decided by the school. Again, I am repeating, Supreme Court has very clearly mandated that once fee is fixed by following the procedure laid down in the Fee Regulation Act throughout India, not in Maharashtra, throughout India, then state government has no right to play with us, or they can pass any adverse direction, or they can dilute the fees even by 1 rupee. So message of Supreme Court is very, very clear. So this particular GR of state government is also going to die down as time passes. There was indication by the education department, they may be right, but due to the political reasons, backlash of the parents associations, they did not do that. So nothing to worry about on those fronts. Our worry is only about the pending fees of 1920, 2021 and 21-22. 80% schools, there is no problem for 1920, 2021. 1920 and 2021. Still about 25 schools may be facing problem for the fees 21-22. That is the one main issue in that. Parents also took us granted when he has shown our large heart that okay, due to pandemic, we are not putting pressure on you to pay the fees. So they took it granted that okay, we'll pay the fees as and when we want to pay. And as you know, during the examination time, during the month of January, February, that time sympathy goes towards the children by the honorable courts, by the general public. If we don't allow child to sit in examination, that is not appreciated by the courts or by the general public. But we have done our duty, shown the large heart, they were suffering, so we did not compel them to pay the fees quarter-wise. We allowed them to pay the fees as per their convenience. So that particular message has been taken wrong by them, not appreciated by the parents. Now, how to take it forward? We have been advocating, we have been guiding all of you. Please go on sending reminders for the pending fees. Unless you make a 5 kg document for the pending fees, you cannot succeed in striking of the name of the child from the school. Now, Honorable Supreme Court also clarified that parents are under obligation to pay the fees. At the same time, they have also put a rider for us that school is at liberty to take necessary action as per the law. As per the law. Law always includes the principle of natural justice. That is the reason we have been advocating that please go on sending the reminders, send 2, 3, 4, 5 reminders. In case they do not pay, send a final reminder, and in case they do not pay it, please send a final letter to collect the LC. So parents will come and collect the LCs. We have 2 options for issuing the LCs. One, that we tell the parent your LC is ready, please pay the fees and take the LC. In few cases, which we also advised you earlier, if few parents are notorious, they are creating problem for us, it's better